This is broken nose, and this is a good approach as any. You gonna rub these rocks? Whoa, I didn't mean to do that. That's crazy, Fred. But I can fix it. Give me two, give me two, give me two, give me two. And relax. Give me a minute. Give me two more. Smile for camera. Give me two. Get down, lock in, get those paddles up. Get down, I mean it. Get those paddles up, keep them up high. Get up, give me two, I missed it. That's embarrassing. All right, this is gonna give you a cool, refreshing splash. I'm not gonna drive y'all crazy with 360s. I see a lot of nervous people. Okay, bump on the left, be ready. And those kayakers, they're playing in what we call chopping broccoli. Give me two more. She's really crazy. She must trust me. Uh-oh. Oh, worked out. This is double trouble. Aim for two big standing waves. Wave at the camera. Oh, what? All right, 2-4. This is squeeze play, and that's the namesake rock right there. In the days of bucket boats, it really was a tricky move. Good job, Pete. We're in there. All right, now I gotta cool y'all off. Only when you get too sweaty or heat exhaustion, that'd be terrible. I might get fired. Keep going. Come on, put some meat into it. Put some meat into it, kids. Get down, get down. Y'all missed it. I almost fell out the back. That's why Kale was making faces. Y'all can hop up, or you just jump out and swim right now. This is the swim area. All right, team, give me one. Give me two more. Don't tumble out. Fred, don't fall out either. Okay, get ready, team. Give me one. Give me two. Give me two more. This is coming up surprise. My goal is for you not to find out what surprise is because it's not good. Okay, lean in case guides off a little. Yep, that one's right on the money. And we're getting ready to turn to the right. See, that's just bouncy goodness. They call that cat's pajamas. Give me two, nothing to be scared of. We are going to get some speed just to make it a little bit more fun and less scary. Give me three more. We're going to get a little power. It'll make it a little bit easier, smoother. Like driving a car too fast on dirt roads. Give me one more. We got spectators watching. I got wet too. Backwards three, backwards. We don't want to hit the rocks over there. They're hiding. Good job, team.
If these videos make you want to come rafting, consider rafting with me, Fast Fred. Check out the URL on the screen right now. I will appreciate you. I will show you a good time, and I'll do my best to keep you safe. So bring it on down to the Ocoee and let's have some fun. Looking forward to seeing you.